Are you getting the Libbluray Library DLL error after the VideoLAN update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To start the walkthrough for Libbluray Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Libbluray Library, the Libbluray open source library. It facilitates the localized unmanaged parsing of Blu-ray disk structures, localized Java, BDJ menus, and localized media playlists. Mandatory for localized open source players, VLC, to playback Blu-ray media with localized precision. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for Libbluray Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Libbluray Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Libbluray Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Libbluray library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Libbluray library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.